Divine names Asma al-Husna as keys to the soul. A Sufi Contemplation, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed. From the dawn of creation, humanity has sought to grasp the essence of the divine. In Islam, Allah reveals himself through his most beautiful names, the Asma al-Husna. We often recite them, memorize them, and acknowledge their power. But what if these names are more than just attributes? What if each name is a living key, a direct pathway to unlock profound spiritual realities within our own souls, and to deepen our intimate connection with the Creator? Today we journey into divine names, Asma al-Husna, as keys to the soul, a Sufi contemplation. We'll explore how Sufism teaches us to contemplate these sacred names, transforming them into a powerful means of self-discovery, heart purification, and an unparalleled closeness to Allah. Prepare to open the hidden chambers of your heart. Part 1. The significance of Asma al-Husna in Islam. The Asma al-Husna, the most beautiful names of Allah, hold a central and revered place in Islamic tradition. Divine revelation. Allah introduces himself through these names in the Quran. To Allah belong the best names, so invoke him by them. Quran 7-180. They are not merely labels, but expressions of his infinite perfection and essence. Comprehensive knowledge. By contemplating these names, we begin to grasp the incomprehensible vastness of Allah's attributes, his power, mercy, wisdom, justice, and love. They offer us a window into the divine reality, prophetic emphasis. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught, Allah has 99 names, 100 minus 1, and whoever enumerates them will enter paradise. Bukhari. This highlights their immense spiritual reward and significance. Beyond mere recitation, while memorization and recitation are meritorious. The Sufi understanding emphasizes going beyond mere verbal repetition to a deep experiential contemplation and internalization of their meanings. It's about letting the name transform the namer. Part 2. The Sufi perspective. Names as keys to inner realities for Sufis. Each Asma al-Husna is not just an external attribute of Allah, but also a potential manifestation or reality within the human soul. The microcosm. The human being is a microcosm, a reflection of the macrocosm. Just as Allah possesses these perfect attributes, aspects of these attributes are latent within our own souls, waiting to be awakened and refined. Names as spiritual tools. Each name acts as a key to unlock a specific door within the heart, allowing us to cultivate corresponding divine qualities in ourselves. For example, by contemplating Ahriman, we cultivate compassion. By al-Alam, we seek knowledge. Heart purification, Tazkiyat al-Nafs. The Asma al-Husna are powerful tools for Tazkiyat al-Nafs, the purification of the ego. By invoking and contemplating a name like Al-Qudus, the Holy, the Pure, we strive to purify ourselves from spiritual impurities. The purpose of creation. Our very purpose is to know Allah, and knowing Him deeply comes through understanding and embodying His names. It's about aligning our being with the divine template. Part 3. Contemplating the names. Practical Sufi approaches. How does a Sufi seeker practically engage with the Asma al-Husna to unlock these inner realities and elevate the soul? Dhikr remembrance with presence. Beyond simply repeating a name, practice Dhikr with al-Qalb, presence of heart. Choose a name, repeat it, and allow its meaning to permeate your consciousness and your entire being. Feel its vibration. Tafakkur, deep contemplation. Reflect profoundly on the meaning of a name. How does Allah manifest in your life? How does Allah show His love to you? How can you embody an aspect of al-Halim, the forbearing? Ponder its implications for your character and actions. Adopting the attributes to Hakam, strive to live by the implications of the names. If you contemplate al-Latif, the subtle, the kind, seek to manifest kindness and gentleness in your interactions. If a Sabr, the patient, cultivate patience. This is about ethical and spiritual embodiment. Observation in creation. See the manifestation of Allah's names in the world around you. Observe al-Khaliq, the creator in nature, al-Musawwir, the fashioner in the human form, al-Razak, the provider in your sustenance. This deepens appreciation and connection. It's targeted healing and growth. Use specific names for specific spiritual needs. If feeling fear, invoke al-Mumin, the giver of security. If seeking knowledge, invoke al-Mumin. If seeking peace, Az-Salam, the source of peace. Silent contemplation. Sometimes simply sitting in quiet contemplation of a name, allowing its meaning to gently unfold within you, can be most powerful. This aligns with the wisdom of silence we've discussed. Part 4. The fruits of contemplation. Transformation of the soul engaging with the Asma al-Husna in this profound Sufi manner yields transformative fruits for the seeker's soul. Deepened connection to Allah. Each name brings you closer, revealing a different facet of the divine. Your relationship becomes richer, more intimate, and more personal. Heart purification and illumination. Consistent contemplation cleanses the heart from spiritual diseases, polishing it to become a mirror that reflects the divine attributes more clearly. The heart fills with Nur, divine light, inner peace and contentment, Sakina and Kana. Understanding Allah's perfect attributes cultivates immense trust, peace, and contentment, knowing that all is in His perfect hand. Character refinement. As you embody the names, your character naturally transforms. You become more compassionate, patient, truthful, wise, and loving. This is the essence of Isen, spiritual opening faith. The names can open doors of spiritual understanding and intuitive knowledge, granting glimpses into unseen realities and subtle truths. True self-knowledge. Knowing Allah through His names inevitably leads to knowing oneself. You discover the divine reflection within, realizing your true potential and purpose. Baraka in life. A life lived in conscious connection to the Asma al-Husna becomes infused with baraka, divine blessings, grace, and inner prosperity that transcend material gains. Conclusion. The symphony of the soul, the Asma al-Husna, are more than just a list of beautiful names. They are living realities, divine keys entrusted to humanity. In the Sufi path, contemplating these names is a profound journey of the soul, a journey to purify the heart, to awaken dormant spiritual potentials, and to draw ever closer to the divine presence. By allowing the vibration and meaning of each name to penetrate our being, we transform from mere reciters into living embodiments of divine attributes, contributing our unique melody to the great symphony of creation. This is truly the essence of Sufi essence. Thank you for joining me on this profound contemplation of the divine names. If this lecture resonated with your spirit, please like this video to help share this vital message. Subscribe to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed for more illuminating insights, and remember to hit the notification bell. Most importantly, which divine name resonates most deeply with you, and how has contemplating it impacted your life? Share your reflections in the comments below. Your insights enrich our growing community. Until our next spiritual unveiling, may Allah reveal more of His beautiful names to our hearts.